These are the complete parts of handrail: hand and base rail, white pickets and spacers, and two end posts. Measure the required length for hand and base rails. Mark 32 1/4 inches for the handrail and base rail. Install the base rail into the bottom of the end post. Install the handrail into the top of the end post. Check the 90 degrees corners and put the screws on base rails and handrail on one post only. Slide the base rail support to the center position. Assemble the other end post. Check 90 degrees corners and put screws on the base rail and handrail.